In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable SMS notifications in Hostinger. If you want to receive important updates by text message, this is a quick setting you can turn on directly from your account. SMS notifications can be useful if you want a more immediate alert for account activity or updates, especially when you may not be checking email right away. The process is very simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, make sure you're already logged into your Hostinger account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the account menu. After the menu appears, look for the option called Notification Settings and click on it. This will take you to the section where you can manage how Hostinger sends you different types of alerts and account-related messages. Depending on your screen size or device, the layout may look slightly different, but the setting names should remain the same. Inside the Notification Settings area, you'll see different notification methods organized into columns. One of those columns will be labeled SMS. This is the section you need for text message alerts. Take a moment to review the available options in that column because you may see multiple checkboxes that control different types of notifications. To enable SMS notifications, simply tick the checkboxes under the SMS column. By checking those boxes, you're telling Hostinger that you want those notifications to be delivered by text message. Make sure you select the ones that match the kinds of updates you want to receive. As you do this, it's a good idea to double-check that the boxes stay selected before leaving the page. In some cases, platforms save changes automatically, while in others you may need to wait a moment for the setting to update. If you don't see SMS options right away, just carefully scan the notification table again, since the columns can sometimes be easy to miss. And that's it. Once those SMS checkboxes are enabled, your Hostinger account will be set up to send notifications by text message for the options you selected. If this is your first time adjusting notification preferences, it can also help to review your other notification methods on the same page, just to make sure everything is set the way you want. But for enabling SMS specifically, all you need to do is open your profile menu, go to Notification Settings, and tick the SMS checkboxes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.